Okay, okay.
Dear Chairman of this welcome ceremony, we are only separated from some political, geographical boundaries, and first time when we organized international seminar in 2013, Dharan, Nepal. It was my pleasure. I can see the same kind of face from Northeast India and Karbi Anglong, who were represented there. I met already 3-4 persons like dear Dhanisar Kate, the artist Devendra, and today we met one the writer.
Damo.
In the memories of the Northeast India, we made one monument in Dharan, Vijaypur. The participant from Northeast India, they inaugurated and we gave the name Vishwa Srashta Smarak, means writer's monument. It is now developing more. It is published sometimes in newspaper. This morning I saw that icon in the manuscript of Dhanisar Inkit. Dhanisar Inkit, especially I came this place to meet Dhanisar Inkit. I called him many times in the phone, and he also mentioned just before, Difu was not in my schedule when I started my travel to the India. But from my heart, I was very much interested because Northeast India is always highly supporting the development of philosophy of theorism. Among them, Dhanisar Inkit is the one who is writing a book, and his writing a book we already mentioned in this international book, and later on I will just give this book to the Dhanisar Inkit. From the Northeast India, my dear friend Rana Kape sitting behind, he wrote one Karbi poem in his Bhaye poetry book. He already won 5 state awards from the India. Similarly, some other writers like Yeshadar Tungsi from Arunachal Pradesh, Bhavani Adhikari from Manipur, and Sadi Gogoi translated Bhayabad, some part of the Bhayabad philosophy prism in Assamese. It was published in the book of Assam Sahitya Sabha. Gyanendra Chetri, who is living in Tezpur, he wrote different languages, English, Nepali, and Assamese, many articles. Whereas there was no support, there were suspicious, they suspect whether it can be philosophy or not. During that critical time, Northeast India is strongly supported me. Even today is supporting. It is my best effort to establish this philosophy in the world. When it is established in the world and we are recognized from the West. Just before, my dear friend has mentioned a lot of the points regarding the philosophy of religion. This book is internationally supported, and there is a lot of references who already work, who already describe what kind of explanation they have in fear and fearism. It is included in this book. What is our position then, where we are, and what kind of role we are playing in philosophical world. According to this book, the move of the writer is R. Michael Fisher and J. Subba. Michael Fisher is born in Canada and living in the United States. He is the first person in the West, not only supporting from some articles. He is supporting from written in the book form. Maybe some of you already search in the Google. Whenever you search in the Google, this book is always coming nowadays. And there's some comments also he has written in Amazon. He said that the philosophy of religion developed by this Subba is only the philosophy in the world. Whereas Mr. Michael Fisher has been working in theism since 1989. He is 10 years senior than me in this field. Still, he supported, still he accepted this philosophy. And he said, I am just writing some articles, some technical papers, but this Subba has done philosophically the explanation in the world. I know all of you are maybe very much curious about this one. I used to explain in different places, different universities, according to their interest. This philosophy can be implemented in different ways, different places, different communities. When we organized international program in Dharan, exactly our interest was to bring all the communities in one place. And who has already participated there, they already know we did a less discussion on theism, and we gave the importance to intercultural relation. What the message we want to give during that time, we wanted to deliver the message to the Northeast India, and we wanted to say that different communities, different tribes, whenever we less some kind of our extreme thinking, some kind of our egos, and it can be lead our society smoothly, happily, and successful way. I found during my visit in North India, all the communities, all the tribes had some kind of existence fear, either who are already live here and who already migrate from some other part of the world. According to the world system, according to the American system, Hong Kong system, and England system, who is coming to that place, they have to be accepted by the society, or they have to be regarded as the citizens. After some country has a 10 years, some country has a 7 years. After 7 years, their rule and regulation helps to integrate all the societies. When the society has a less fear of losing their existence, then they can go to the prosperity side, they can go to the success side. Otherwise, we always suffering from our own the problems politically and culturally. Always we are suffering, and fear has a very important role there. According to the philosophy of theism, I used to say the tribe A has a 50-degree fear of losing the existence. Tribe B has again 50% the losing of their existence. The fear to be the mixed or the communities. The fear of losing and accept. I said different places, different universities, this kind of the explanation. Very simply, we can take an example. I said again I want to just make it clear. The tribe A has the losing of existence 50%. The tribe B has again losing the existence of 50%. When they are raised their the fear of losing, and there is started to be conflict. When it started with conflict, and everything is, it has harm to the everything. So the solution of this, according to this philosophy, is try to 1 degree only less. If we have a 50, then try to make a 49, and another community also make a 49 of losing the existence. It means it lead to the all the communities in one. Somebody said me that before. The Karbi Anglang either or Assam or the North-East India is like a flower garden. If we respect all the flowers of the garden, then the garden can be seen very beautiful. Otherwise, it is always going to the destruction side, and destruction side not help us to be happy. Hi, welcome, warm welcome from different communities, different my friends, and different organizations. Maybe I hope we have so many curiosities regarding this philosophy, so many questions, but I have to say we can discuss this one, exchange some emails and conversation telephones, because we had to go to 3 o'clock in another program. So I again say one time, I learned one word, Kardom. Say Kardom. I just know somebody is doing like this. Kardom. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shubha.